1993 Buick Riviera here at Unique Specialty and Classics. And listen to this. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, actual mile car, 38,105 on the odometer right now. Beautiful burgundy color, white interior, white vinyl top, classic color combination on this Riv. Underneath the hood, of course, 3,800 with the 3.8 liter V6. Let's take a look at the grill, chrome on the bumper up front. I did notice there's a little chip out of the turn signal indicator of the marker light down there. Power steering, power brakes, AC tech that inspected this one did note the AC was in op. If you want to check out the still pictures, you can see the underside, the interior, the engine bay trunk, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riviera spoke wheel covers, white wall radials. Let's take a look down the passenger side of this vehicle. You can see it's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Hey, it's a little over 30 years old now. It may have an imperfection here or there. Maybe a seep or leak a little bit here or there, but this is a car. Get in, drive it. And look at the condition interior. There's a little throwback to the early 90s, late 80s. The phone in there, and that could sure be removed. We're going to leave it in there for nostalgia purposes. Next owner can choose what they'd like to do with it, and you can also see this vinyl top is in nice shape. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. See, those panels are nice and straight, and again, not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You might have a scuff or a touch-up here or there. Overall, paint shows well. And remember, we have an open door policy for a third-party inspector. If you want somebody to come take a peek at this car, have a look at it for you since you can't make it yourself for some reason, or if you want to come check it out, that's not a problem either. Take her for a drive. We have extra drive-on lifts that you can actually pull it on, inspect the underside if you want to. Not a problem. Once again, that phone number, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pics. Take your time looking through them. If you like these Buick Rivs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you can do that online or right off our showroom floor if you make it see us. We always like that. Plus, you'll have a good time looking at all the inventory indoors. All right, let's take a look down this driver's side. You can see paint has a nice shine to it over here too. Again, not full of anything major. Where's those dings or scratches? All right, let's take a look at this interior. This one would have power seats, both sides. Of course, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. White leather, that shows well. Again, considering car's over 30 years old now. Appears to be well taken care of interior, probably stored indoors the way it looks, especially if you take a look at the top of that dash. No cracks, no fading, sun checked or baked. Headliner, not sagging or drooping. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Check out the exact miles. Close this door. Chime, all right, so there's your exact miles, 38,105. Just the fastened seatbelt indicator that was on, you can see that one off. No check engine light, service engine soon, anything like that. Was a cold start, so we don't expect temp gauge to be up. Volt meter appears to be working. Tax working, as you can see there. Oil pressure looking good, and fuel gauge. You have your climate control, AM, FM cassette. I did not get this to power up, so you're aware of that. Again, top of the dash. Looks good. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. And we'll take a look underneath the hood. Check out that engine bay, let you hear it run. If you stick around to the very end of the video, we're going to take this car for a drive so you can see how it goes down the road also. Pretty quiet, sounds as you'd expect. That 3800 to sound. Alright, let me pause this 1 second. I'm going to pop that hood. Let's check out this engine bay out. Alright, underside of the hood. Sorry about the glare there. Underside of the hood, nice and clean. Doesn't look like this has been driven in much for inclement weather. And like I said, take a look at those underside pictures. I also did notice the compressor does kick on and off while it's been here running. And I want to mention something else. It looks like it's also been converted from the R12 to 134A. There, here's the compressor. You can also see the original stickers with the VIN on it on the fenders. So those are original fenders. Again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. There's the sticker on the hood. And that 3100, again, power steering, power brakes, AC. Here's the compressor. Automatic with overdrive transmission, of course. 38,105 miles in the odometer right now. That may change a little bit as it gets driven around the showroom or parking lot. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1993 Buick Riviera. This is an automatic on the center console. And we have a lovely digital dash. Circa 1993 in that light turquoise color. If that's flickering at all, that's just our camera's frame rate. It looks great on the dash, and it's all lit up perfectly, giving us tachometer that fills with a digital, I guess you'd say, swoosh, and also with numbers for easy to read use. The volts are right in the middle of the gauge. Temperature also right in the middle of the gauge. Oil pressure a little over half. And oddly enough, the fuel is also right in the middle of the gauge. The windshield wipers work on this car. The blower motor also works. Power adjustable driver's seat, multiple position, as well as passenger seat. Very nice ride on the highway. Now on the dash it says Dyna Ride. That will be their name for a custom tuned suspension, I presume. And it's working. Luxurious ride, yet handles good. Easy to steer. In the corners, it doesn't lean that much. It's a smaller car, which also makes it more responsive with the amount of power that it has. Handling is good. Smooth acceleration. These seats appear to be leather and they're white. Now that's a very nice look. Take a look at all the pictures of this Buick Riviera from 1993 at uniqueclassiccars.com.